Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. You know, when you normally go out for a normal night of entertainment, maybe even getting a slice of pizza, well, sometimes you might see a little chaos. And that's exactly what happened here on 7/28 of 2024 in Tampa, Florida. Some people went out for a casual piece of pizza and it disrupted in chaos. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video and we will see you on the next.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
She's good. Please. She's gone. Put your hands up if you want, stupid ass. Please. Please, sir. This is excessive. Please. This is excessive.
I'll do 149. I'm going to 41. I need 54 immediately. Just north of 15th and 7th at the pizza place.
Sir, I'm just asking you, please. You're hurting her. Please, this is excessive.
Okay, she was hurting somebody by throwing punches. Hey, boy, you guys, hold on! Wait, stop! Just relax, okay?
I'm already relaxed, sir.
Just relax, okay? It's over, all right?
Can you get my purse, please?
I'll get your purse.
Please, nicely.
I want you to leave.
Please shut the fuck up and stop talking to me, you stupid bitch. Sorry,
Oh, my radio's broken. I was watching her throw punches.
I don't know. He's a space age. I don't know.
Can you take my purse from her, please? I don't want to grab it.
No, she's gonna hold it. It's gonna be with you. Don't worry. We don't want that.
I know, but I don't know where she's going. And that has literally my ID, my phone, everything.
Oh yeah, we're together.
Okay.
We're part of a group here that works overtime. But which car?
Yeah, can we get me in the car, please? Because I don't want to be around this nigga who just threw me on the fucking car.
Get her in the car.
Can I ask you something?
Where's your car?
Figueroa?
Identify her. Get her in the car.
Can I ask you something, please?
Walk her to my car.
Can you walk me to the car, please?
Right now.
Can I ask you something?
Whose is this?
I don't want. Who's holding me? Who's holding me, Figueroa?
Who's this?
No, someone else is holding me. I don't want him holding me.
It's just yours.
No, that's not fucking mine. I don't know who it is. But that is mine. Can you give it to Figueroa? Can you please take my purse, please? I'm not No, I'm asking him.
Let's go. Come on.
Do we know who?
We're gonna come get you, okay?
Do you know who the officer was that just threw me on the floor? Please, that's all I'm asking. What's his name? Figueroa, please. I'm not refusing. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Figueroa, please. Who was it that who was the one that put me in handcuffs, please? That's all I'm asking.
I actually don't know his last name.
Please, who was it that put me in handcuffs? I'm not refusing. I'm just asking question.
let's walk and talk. Walk and talk. Walk and talk.
Walk and talk. You guys are trying to get me in the back of the fucking car, and he just slammed me on the floor. That's okay.
What's this vehicle? Probably this one right here.
Whose car am I going in? Are you driving me or not? I don't want to go with him. Is there not another officer who could take me?
We'll just put her temporarily here.
Bitch, I'm trying to read his name tag. The fuck you grabbing? I don't need your help. I know how to sit down.
Hon, just sit down. Don't make
I
things
know how to
worse.
sit. I don't need his fucking help, bitch.
Step out. Through that door right there. In the corner. Arrived at the jail ending video.